Hi everyone, my name is Mahmood Sheikh and in today's video I am going to start the discussion on data structure concepts. Since this is the first video of our series, so in this video I am going to discuss about the introduction of data structure. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion. So what is a data structure? Data structure is a way of systematically structuring, organizing or arranging different types of data inside the computer's memory in such a manner so that when it comes to perform various operations on that stored data, these operations should become easier for the user to perform. So what is the meaning of this particular definition? Okay, inside the memory we store different types of data. We store text data, audio data, video data, images data. Okay, but the problem arises when it comes to access that data, when it comes to perform various operations like deletion, updation, searching, accessing. Okay, so we encounter problems in performing each and every of these operations because we didn't store the data in proper manner inside the memory. We didn't store that data or structured that data inside the computer's memory in a efficient manner. That's why when it comes to access the data, we find a lot of problems. Okay, so data structures provide you various ways by which you can systematically organize or structure the data inside the memory. It offers you various concepts like arrays, queues, linked list, trees, graphs. Based on your requirement, you can choose any of the data structure and store the data using that data structure inside the memory. Okay, so now let me just take an example. Let us suppose you have a rack at your home and you are using that rack to keep books, and that rack has various shelves. You have various books of various programming languages, like you have C book, C++, Java, Python, DBMS, discrete mathematics, and you have few languages books as well, and you have your notes as well. So what would be your approach when it comes to arrange these different books and notes in different shelves of your rack? One of the approach is you just keep all these books and notes in different shelves as ever you want. Okay, you just didn't maintain the discipline of arranging the books in those shelves. Some of your programming books and your language books are in a same shelf. Some of your notes and your books are in another shelf. So if this is the situation, then when it comes to access any of the book from that shelf, you need to spend lot of time in picking your required book, because at the time of arranging itself, you have not arranged those books in a proper manner. That's why at the time of accessing, obviously you will be finding some problems. Okay, so what is the solution for this problem? So the solution for this problem is, at the time of arranging the books itself, if you arrange the books and notes in different shelves, then when it comes to access any book at that time, since you will be knowing that programming books will be on the top shelf, so you don't have to spend too much of time. You will be directly going to that top shelf and you will be picking out your required programming book. And the same concept works here in the data structure also. There are various concepts are there: arrays, queues, linked lists, trees, graphs. So whichever data structure is best suitable for your requirement, you should use that data structure. Each and every type of data structure has its own advantages and has its own disadvantages as well. Based on your requirement, you need to smartly choose any of the data structure and store the data using that data structure inside the memory. Data structure has given us various concepts and we will be using these various concepts in our programs to write the code so that we can systematically organize the data inside the memory. So what is the purpose of systematically organizing? So that when it comes to perform various operations on that stored data, those operations should become easier for the users to perform. That is the intention of storing the data using these data structures. Okay, so I hope by now the concept of data structure might get clear to you. Okay, now let us take our discussion further ahead by discussing the classification of data structure. So the data structure is classified into two categories. First one is primitive data structure, second one is non-primitive data structure. Under primitive data structures, we have various types like integer, character, float, double and pointers. So these are also called as primary data structures because each and every of these are the keywords of almost all the programming languages. Okay, next we have non-primitive data structures. Non-primitive data structures, as you can see, are further classified into two types, linear and non-linear data structures. Linear data structures are arrays, queues and linked list. The data stored by using any of these data structures inside the memory will be arranged in linear fashion or sequential manner. Okay, one piece of data after another piece of data in sequential manner, contiguous manner. Okay, so linear data structure has three types, as I have said. Arrays is further divided into fixed size array, and then we have dynamic sized array. Then we have queue. Queue has simple queue, priority queue, circular queue, double-ended queue or DQ. Then linked list we have divided into three types: singly linked list, doubly linked list and circular linked list. And circular linked list is further divided into circular singly linked list, circular doubly linked list. Whereas on the other side we have non-linear data structures, and non-linear data structures is further divided into three types, which is trees, graph and hash tables. Trees have various types as well: binary tree, binary search tree and AVL tree. AVL stands for Adelson, Welsky and Landis. These are the three scientists who proposed this AVL tree concepts in the year 1962. And then we have graph. Graph is also divided into various types: simple graph, multi-graph, weighted graph, unweighted graph, directed graph and undirected graph. And then lastly we have hash tables. Okay, so these are the various types of data structures. We use these data structures in programming in different occasions as per your requirements. Okay, so this is everything about data structure. I hope you guys have understood what is data structure and what are the various types and how they are classified. So that's all I wanted to say in this video. In my next video, I will be discussing a little bit about each and every of these data structures, how these data structures looks like and their applications, then advantages as well. We will be going to cover all these things in our next video. So if you guys like this video or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.